everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that very first part of the video where I showed you this beautiful JuJuBe Be Sporty in the gorgeous new olive rose print on the body. For the rest of this video, I'm going to show you guys how I pack up the JuJuBe Be Sporty. If you are new to the JuJuBe Be Sporty, this bag is so awesome and versatile. I love it. It's also very lightweight. It is also a convertible diaper bag, so you can wear this bag crossbody, you can wear it over the shoulder, you can wear it as a backpack. It does come with its own messenger strap, which is also a seatbelt type of strap. So that's great too. One thing that I love about the Be Sporty in this new olive rose print is that it is extra lightweight. This particular fabric is very textured and even kind of slouchy, which I really like. This fabric is still water resistant and Teflon coated to help protect your bag from those stains. So that is such a great feature about these JuJuBe fabric type diaper bags. Now this particular new print will be releasing on the 21st along with the new Ever collection by JuJuBe, and I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me for this release, although I do believe that the olive rose is going to be available on boutique websites and in store. So that would be great if you guys could support those shops. So I'm going to go ahead and go over some of the features of the outside of the bag and then jump onto the inside portion for the packing video. So as I mentioned, this bag is a convertible diaper bag. So you have your top grab handle here, and you also have your D-rings on the side. You can hang this from a stroller. You can use the messenger strap that I showed you before. This hooks onto each side. You can wear it over the shoulder and crossbody. And then on the very back of the bag, you have these awesome adjustable seatbelt straps that you can wear as a backpack. And this bag has the most beautiful rose gold hardware. I just love it. It is so pretty and I just love it. All the hardware on this bag is rose gold for this particular release. And even the zippers and everything, I think just this particular bag in this color is absolutely stunning, and I wish you guys all the best of luck in snagging one because apparently they are going to be kind of hard to find. But it is so pretty, and I just love the way the Be Sporty packs up. For me personally, especially right now, I'm not carrying as much as I normally do, so the style and the size of this bag is just perfect for us. So I've been really enjoying wearing it over the last few days. So let's go ahead and jump onto the pockets. I have this bag packed up for my 1-year-old and for myself, and that's it. In this side bottle pocket here, I just have a little cup of water for my 1-year-old, and I have it in this OXO straw transition cup. And guys, this is one of my favorite baby cups ever right now. I love it, and I will actually be linking this down below for you guys so you can go check that out. Along with anything else that I'm able to link from this video, I will link down below for you guys so you can find these items. But this is like my favorite transition cup for babies if you want them to start drinking from a straw. So I love that cup, guys. Comes in a bunch of different sizes too. So that's all that I had on that side. On this side here, I just have a bottle of water for myself. This is a Swell Bottle 12-ounce Traveler. So this is a wider bottle, but it fits in this pocket great, and it still has a little room to spare on top, so that's great. You guys might notice the zippers on this bag are like super smooth. I love that. So let's go ahead and jump on to the mommy pocket. So on the very front part of the mommy pocket here, you have one zipper across the front that goes all the way into the front of the pocket here. This is a great place to keep things that are very flat, that you want to have easy access to, like maybe receipts and things like that. I don't actually have anything in that pocket, so I'm just going to skip straight to the mommy pocket. So in here, I love that zipper, it's so smooth. This is how I have it set up in here. There is really not much going on. This mommy pocket has not too much organizational areas. You have a back zipper pocket here, you have the open space in between, and then you have one mesh elastic pocket in the front here. So I don't actually have anything in the back pocket here, but earlier this week I was using it to keep some lip gloss and a chapstick and things like that. So it's a really great place to put that stuff. In here I have my Kate Spade Cara wallet. Next to that, I have my JuJuBe small set piece in Rosy Posy, which, by the way, if you already have this set, it looks amazing with olive rose, guys. So pretty, I love it. In here, I just have some things for myself. I have a chapstick, a folding hairbrush, mirror, lip gloss, hand cream, and things like that. In the very front mesh pocket here, I actually have my keys, and I attached my small set piece strap from my Rosy Posy set onto my keys so that it matches. Love that. And that is all that I had in this pocket. Now on the back of the bag, you actually have a nice felt-lined zippered pocket here, and this is a great place to keep your phone. I have my iPhone 8 Plus right down in this pocket here, standing straight up. So if that helps you decide how big that pocket is, even my 8 Plus can fit straight up and down, so that's pretty awesome. That's all I had in that back zippered pocket. And you also have a light change pad back there as well. Maybe this will help you guys see how smushy this fabric is. I love it though. It's really nice and soft, so I really like that. And then also, I'll show you guys, maybe you can see the fabric a little bit better. Hopefully you can see that. It's a really pretty shade of olive, and then you have this really great texture. So I really like that. So let's move on to the inside of the bag. So this is what the top of the Be Sporty looks like. You have a flap here with a magnetic snap closure. This is the color of the inside of the bag. I love this lining. It's embossed. It's really pretty. The color, I believe, is called Mushroom, which is kind of from the Legacy collection. So it looks really great with this bag, though. I think it's beautiful. So that's what the top looks like. You have a long zipper here with a tail on the end, and you can totally tuck that in if you don't want to see it, but it just allows you to be able to open your bag nice and wide. So this is what the inside looks like. Super pretty and very easy to see everything because you have such a nice light lining. So the inside of the Be Sporty actually has a few different type of compartments. You have a small zippered pocket back here. You have a large elastic mesh pocket back here, empty space in the middle, and then you have 2 elastic mesh pockets in the front here. So I'm gonna go through the middle pieces first, just so you guys can see a little bit better once I have things emptied out, how the pockets look and things like that. So hopefully you guys are getting a good look at what the inside looks like. Unfortunately, the Be Sporty is difficult to film because of the way it opens. So I'm going to try my best though. The first thing I'm going to start with is my medium set piece right over here. This is in the Rosy Posy print as well. In here I just have a change of clothes for my son. I have a little pair of socks for him. You never know when you're gonna need a pair of socks. I also have a little pair of shorts for him, a little shirt, so cute, and then I have a bib for him as well. So it's just a full outfit just in case he makes a mess on himself or has an accident of some kind. Next to that, I have a super pretty rose gold glitter pouch from Target, and I will try to find a link for this for you guys because I have a lot of people ask me about that, but I did recently find something very similar to this over at Francesca's, so I will try and link that for you as well. So in here, I just have snacks and things. It's kind of like a restaurant kit for my son. I have a JuJuBe Be Neat, which is their bibs. I love those so much. I also have an OXO travel spoon. I'll link that below as well. I have a Gerber baby food. And then I have one of those InnoBaby snack towers. I just have one of them in here because that fits really great standing up with some Cheerios in it. Right next to that, I have the brand new WIPOUCH Donutella print by Tokidoki. This is absolutely adorable. If you guys want to see this even better, please visit my blog at kateschwankeblog.com, and you can see a lot better pictures there, and also there will be a giveaway soon, so go check that out. I just have some baby wipes in here, and actually what I did was I cut them to fit in here because I don't really like any other wipes. I really like the Pampers Sensitive for just absolutely everything. So this is just my quick grab and go wipe pouch, and this is the WIPOUCH Mini. So now this is what the inside of the Be Sporty looks like now that I don't have anything on the middle. So you can see the large mesh pocket, and then you have the 2 smaller mesh pockets in the front here. So in the back mesh pocket here, it is plenty big to hold all kinds of things, but I actually have it securing my large set piece down here. So I have a large set piece in Rosy Posy. In here I just have my diapering needs for my son. So I have 3 size 4 diapers in here. I also have a little baggie dispenser, and I have my full size WIPOUCH in here as well. This is the WIPOUCH 30 in the Donutella print. So That fits great in there. Now we are coming down to the last of it. This is what it looks like now. I have just a couple toys down here for my son to keep him busy while we're out. He is still teething incredibly bad, so he needs extra toys. So what I have in here is a Sophie the giraffe, and then I also have the cutest teether I have ever seen. And this is from Ruthie Kate Designs, and I will definitely link her down below for you guys, but it is so cute. It is handmade and custom. I was able to pick what teether toy I wanted and each of the beads and everything. And guys, it's totally my colors. It's so cute. So I love that. And actually, she also made this a beautiful bracelet. So you guys go check her out. I will definitely link her down below for you. So that is all that I have in this bag, guys. I love it so much, and I hope you guys have the best of luck in securing the Olive Rose items that you want, because this, I know it's gonna go fast, but it's just very pretty, and I hope you guys are able to score some. So this is one last look at it. And if you guys enjoyed this video or found it helpful, or if you're just excited about this release and want to tell me what you are planning on scoring from this release or from the Ever collection, please let me know down in the comments below. And I would love if you guys would give me a big thumbs up and subscribe while you're here if you're new. And once again, I would love if you guys would shop with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you. Thanks for watching.